Hello everyone, today I will show you how to increase or bigger artboard size in Adobe Illustrator. Open your Illustrator file. Now active, click on this artboard tools option. Now artboard already active and select Windows option. Open artboard layer and select again in Windows and active properties. Now click on this in artboard. Now you can manually increase your artboard size. Click here. Also you can increase artboard size. Click here artboard option. Here you can increase height and this is 1000 and height 90. Now select OK and say this artboard size already increased and click this artboard. Again you can increase this artboard size this way. Also you can increase all of this artboard size at once. Select all of this layer artboard. Select Ctrl A from your keyboard and select all of this artboard. Now you can increase, decrease artboard size. Also select artboard option. You can add a custom size 80 and 70. Now select OK. Yeah. In this way you can change all of this artboard size customly. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.